Let's talk about one of the biggest, most overlooked problems in hiring, the job description. We're going to explore how to turn that piece of paperwork you dread into a genuine power tool for attracting amazing talent. I mean, just imagine for a second. What if your job description was so good that it did all the hard work for you? What if the best candidates were literally lining up, wanting to talk to you? That would completely change the game, wouldn't it? The thing is, for most companies, that's just a fantasy. So many hiring processes are broken right from the very start. And the root cause of that problem? It's almost always the job description itself.
Oh, you've seen them. We all have, right? Sometimes it's just a couple of super vague bullet points. Other times it's packed with cliches like must have good communication skills. I mean, what does that even mean? It's a total mess and it sets everybody up for a bad match from day one.
And look, the difference here is just night and day. A mediocre job description, it's going to pull in mediocre talent. But a strategic one, well, that becomes your company's powerful first impression. It acts like an SEO hook so you actually get found. It's a conversion driver that convinces top talent to stop scrolling and actually hit apply. So the big question is, how do you make that leap from mediocre to strategic? Well, this is where technology can be a huge help. An AI-powered tool like the one from Calibre is designed to do exactly this, to turn those messy drafts into strategic assets, and to do it pretty much instantly. And the impact is, well, it's huge. We're talking 3x. A single properly optimized job description can triple the number of relevant applications you get. Just think about all the time you'd save not sifting through unqualified resumes. And you might be thinking, this sounds complicated, but it's dead simple. You just upload your company's unique voice, you toss in that original messy JD, add a few critical skills you know are essential, and then you just click Generate. That's it. Seriously. What you get back isn't just better writing. It's a completely structured overview. It's got crystal clear responsibilities, your company's branding is woven right in, and, this is a big one, it's formatted to be friendly with all those applicant tracking systems that filter out so many good candidates. See, this is why it's pure strategy. The AI isn't just fixing your grammar. It's embedding your employer brand, it's defining what success actually looks like in the role, and it's targeting the exact keywords that the best candidates are searching for right now. You know, it really all boils down to one simple truth. If you want to make a great hire, you have to start with a great job description. Period. It is the foundation for the entire process. No way around it. Which kind of leaves us with a fascinating question to think about, right? If we automate all this administrative work, does AI actually free us up to focus on the most human part of hiring? You know, building real relationships and finding the perfect fit. Something to chew on. Thanks for joining me.